Angels, it's me, Morgan Atlanta, and today I'm going to show you this super cute yet so simple Valentine's nail design. To achieve this nail look, you're going to need Bubble Pure Build by HONA, of course, and their cherry detail paint. Please excuse the state of mine, it is well loved. To start with, you'll want a freshly buffed base of Bubble Pure Build. This is essential so you can get some crisp design work. To kick off our design, you're going to take cherry detail paint on a dotting tool, and then you're going to use the striper brush to pull down from the two dots that you just created. These should pull down diagonally into a point. And then you're just going to repeat the same process on each side of the nail by creating another heart. You want to make sure these hearts are as evenly spaced out as possible, and I'll show you exactly why later on. And then again, you're just going to repeat the same process on the other side of the nail by placing two small dots using the cherry detail paint in your dotting tool, and then using the striper brush to pull down and fill in the heart. As you can see here, this is the 3 reference points that I'll go for to start forming the shape of our heart French tip. And then you want to take the cherry detail paint again on your dotting tool and fill tiny little dots in between each of the hearts. I'll kind of go one on each side, then one in the middle of the two hearts, and then just fill in the rest. This is what I told you need to evenly space out the hearts as much as possible. And this is the kind of overall look that you want to achieve. You can do as little or as more dots or hearts as you want. And then you're just going to finish off with Super Shine by HONA. And this is your completed look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy Valentine's!